Hola, ¿qué tal? Hello, how are you? I want to share with you a resource that will be very beneficial if you are engaging in learning the Spanish language and perfecting it and advancing it and becoming fully bilingual. Whether you're at the Spanish 1 level all the way to the highest levels of learning Spanish, speaking in situational settings, we'll use phrases that once you begin using them and you see that they are used extensively or you use them extensively, they're phrases you gravitate towards. Being able to know how to say the phrases and harness them in a certain area where you can continue building on them is going to be very beneficial. This is basically using Google Translate, but it's embedded inside this Google Sheet such that the moment you type a phrase, you get it translated. Then you type another phrase, the previous one does not get removed. You can still harness and store some of the common used phrases that you have used. So let me show you very quickly how to use it so that you're able to use it, and feel free to make a copy of it so it becomes your own spreadsheet and you can build on and harness your phrases that you want to use in the Spanish language. So let's say you want to say, what time is the event? Let's type that. What time is the event? So that's what we want to know what to say. So you click on the previous phrase, you click on the dot, and you drag it down, and it'll say, ¿A qué hora es el evento? Right? So now you know how to ask what time is the event. Let's say you want to ask, you may see someone who's confused or needs directions, and you want to ask them, can I help you? You would type, can I help you? And again, you go to the previous phrase that's translated, click on the dot, drag it down. Puedo ayudarle. Puedo ayudarle. Okay, so again, you're on the spot, you're getting the actual phrase that you need to say and utilize to communicate with a Spanish-speaking person. Okay, and that's where mastery comes in, where you're actually utilizing it in real settings. Let's say we didn't understand something, we want to ask someone, can you explain it again, please? We'll type, can you explain it again, please? And then again, we go to the previous phrase that's been translated in Spanish. We click on the dot, drag it down one. ¿Podrías explicarlo nuevamente, por favor? Okay. So again, you can see this is a very effective way of harnessing all the expressions and phrases that you want to use and utilize in the community, or when you're in traveling, or when you are in your careers as a fully bilingual person in the Spanish language. Bueno, adiós, hasta luego.